Morning, Joe.
Morning.
Jubbly.
Lovely jubbly indeed. So we're just having a chat this morning about digital marketing and how we're getting a lot more inquiries from customers about how we can support digitally, and partner marketing is really starting to embrace that. And that's because of a couple of things. One, the IT spend is really growing, and also organisations are really having to work together because of IT and interconnected and more ecosystems, companies working together. And I think that is really driving the need for partner marketeers to think about how they promote themselves and their partnerships online, and how they keep that buying journey going online as well, because 92% of B2B purchases start with an internet search, so Forrester said in their 2019 report, and 62% of B2B buyers say that they now finalise a vendor list based solely on content that they look at in a digital environment.
Yeah, and I think that's only accelerated with the pandemic. Everybody's at their desks. We know a lot about, there's been a lot kind of covered on that. And there's also a really interesting McKinsey report where they're saying that now when they're making a purchase, B2B buyers are spending only 17% of their time meeting with potential suppliers. And if there's multiple vendors, they're only spending 5 to 6% of their time. So the need to utilize these digital channels has really increased. And in fact, again, in another report, he was saying that sales leaders are seeing digital channels as twice as important of what they've done in the past, which is no surprise.
So with that in mind, we went off and did some research, and we looked at systems integrators and service providers actually, and how they were promoting their partnerships online. And we looked at websites, and we looked at sort of certain searches as well. And the research has shown that 46% of the brand searches for a systems integrator in their partner name returned really poor quality on SERP. So, I mean, that would absolutely be a basic quick win for any of our clients and potential, other people out there wanting to market their partners online. That would be a really quick win to look at, but also look at where you point people after that, not just on the website, but where that journey continues.
Yeah, and I think that's a real concern, isn't it? Because we know that just under half of people, if they get onto a web page and the content is not got the right kind of message, they'll just leave. So you've spent all that time creating the content, getting them there, and then you're not kind of monetizing the fact that they've arrived on your web page. And I think, we also know that B2B buyers consume about 13 pieces of content when they're making a decision. Of those, there'll be 8 vendor created pieces and 3 from third parties as well. So this mix of content, quality content, is really important to them as well. So again, it's a real missed opportunity to kind of get that ecosystem ingredient branding message out into the market.
Yeah, so I think definitely have a look at the report. We'll attach it to this tutorial, or just chat really. It's really interesting. I think, we're very passionate about partner marketing anyway, but I mean, it's really becoming the new vogue, and digital is really helping you to promote your brand as well through partners. Think of the amplification that your partners can give you to try and close that opportunity. But if you're not doing it, if you're not promoting your partnerships well at the beginning and even carrying that story on as well, it's a real missed opportunity. So enjoy our report.